Make a great choice today with the 2018 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels, tires front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.